Good morning, students of Saraswati Vidya Mandir, Commerce section. Subject Business Studies, Chapter 7, Directing. As we going to discuss the elements of directing, and there were 4 elements of directing: supervision, motivation, leadership, and communication. We are in second element, motivation. As in previous video, we discussed that motivation is internal, and when a person became motivated towards a certain goal, his total behavior would get changed. His activity and behavior becomes goal oriented, and thus motivation is a complex process also. Thus in this video we are going to describe the motivation process. As we know that motivation is a very complex thing, because it is internal matter of a human being, that for whom and why, where and when a person get motivated towards any certain goal or objective, it cannot be said, because it is a process in which first of all a person have to be, or organization have to be, their unsatisfied needs. When there is unsatisfied needs, that unsatisfied needs drives tension. When there is unsatisfied need and it drives tension, that tension stimulates his drives. जब अनसेटिस्फाइड नीड्स होंगे, उसके कारण जो टेंशन पैदा होगा वो स्टिमुलेट करेगा हिज ड्राइव्स को, एंड दीज ड्राइव्स जनरेट अ सर्च बिहेवियर टू सेटिस्फाई सच नीड्स. और ये जो ड्राइव्स होंगे ये ऐसे बिहेवियर को जनरेट करेंगे ह्यूमन बींग्स और अदर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के, जो सच बिहेवियर ऐसे जनरेट होंगे जो उस नीड्स को सेटिस्फाइड करने के लिए सभी तरह के उपाय वो तलाशेगा, करेगा. और व्हेन द नीड्स इज सेटिस्फाइड, और जब आवश्यकता की पूर्ति हो जाएगी, द इंडिविजुअल इज रिलीव्ड ऑफ टेंशन, और तब जाकर के वो इंडिविजुअल जो है वो उस टेंशन से रिलीव्ड होगा. तो दैट इज द वेरी सिंपल प्रोसेस of motivation, that for motivation there must be some unsatisfied needs, and not only unsatisfied needs but also there is some tension for that unsatisfied need, and when there is tension, that tension stimulates drives, and that drives generate such behavior to satisfy such needs. And when the needs is satisfied, the individual is relieved of tension. Importance of motivation क्या है? देखिए, importance of motivation है सबसे पहला कि improve performance. Once when anybody became motivated, then the overall performance of that particular or individual person will get enhanced and improved. Because, for example, if a student motivated towards his better result in board examination, then in that such situations a individual or that a student get improve his performance suddenly, and when motivated, because his performance is improved, because when once he get motivated towards better result, then the overall activity or behavior were result oriented. He always talk about a study. He always keep himself in a study, and thus the overall behavior will get changed, and due to that behavior and activity will change, the overall performance must be enhanced. Second, builds positive attitude. When you motivated towards a certain goal and objective, then the overall your attitude where that goal-oriented attitude became, and that attitude towards the fulfillment of that particular goal or objective were categorized as positive attitude towards particular goal or objective. And in this situation, the person's build positive attitude towards that work or target. Third, reduce employee turnover. Employees turnover were going to be reduced because when we goal oriented, engage ourselves into goal oriented process or motivated towards a certain goal, then our turnover towards that particular activity were going to be reduced, because motivated things जो है वो आपको ज़्यादा भारी नहीं लगता। हम आपको एक बात बता दें कि एक बहन जो है वो एक बच्चे को, मैंने छोटे बच्चे को, एक लड़की, छोटी लड़की एक छोटे बच्चे को अपने कंधे पे बैठाकर स्कूल जा रही थी, और बहुत सारे रास्ते में लोगों ने उससे पूछा कि अरे तुम ये कैसे कर रही हो, तुमको भारी नहीं लगता है ये काम कर रहे? तो बहुत जब लोगों ने पूछा तो उसने कहा कि ये मेरा ही भाई है, और जब मेरा ही भाई है तो इस फीलिंग से मात्र वो उसको उस तरह के कष्ट की अनुभूति नहीं हो रही है, और उसमें भी उसको साहस मिल रहा है कि ये मेरा ही भाई है और हम इसको पढ़ाने ले जा रहे हैं। तो इस तरह के एटीट्यूड जब डेवलप हो जाते टुवर्ड्स, क्योंकि व्हेन वी गेट मोटिवेटेड टुवर्ड्स अ पर्टिकुलर वर्क, देन दैट वर्क इज नॉट टर्म्ड और सीम्स टू अस नॉट एज अ बर्डन, and in this situation the employees turnover get reduced because there were no additional harassment in that work. That work always keep motivated us, and due to this the turnover of employees were going to be reduced. Next, introduce changes. Whenever we going to be motivated towards a certain goal or objective, our overall we introduce some changes. The changes should better and in a positive direction to achieve that goal. And if whether we need that there is some changes were required for achieving goal, then we made changes, essential changes to get that objective or goal. Last, reduce absenteeism. A motivated person were make a very least absent at the workplace, because he is motivated and try to work in any situation. Either he is suffer from some physical problem, even in those situation he willing to work for better performance. अब है कि मोटिवेशन के इस पूरे थ्योरी को, ये जो प्रोसेस है, इसको मास्लोज ने एक नीड हैचरी थ्योरी ऑफ मोटिवेशन दिया, मोटिवेशन के प्रोसेस को समझाने के लिए, और मोटिवेशन के पूरे थ्योरी को समझाने के लिए उन्होंने मास्लोज नीड हैचरी थ्योरी दी ऑफ मोटिवेशन दिया, जो इस प्रकार से है कि सबसे पहले हमारे कुछ बेसिक साइकोलॉजिकल नीड्स होते हैं, मनोवैज्ञानिक आवश्यकताएं होती हैं। उसके बाद सेफ्टी सिक्योरिटी नीड्स होते हैं, जो बेसिक आवश्यकताओं के पूरा होने के बाद वेन एवर a person were able to fulfill its basic psychological needs. After the fulfillment of basic psychological needs, there were just arisen of next objective and goals, and that is safety and security needs. He also want safety and security in his work life and private life. After that, the fulfillment of security and safety needs, the next goal which is arise for which a person became motivated, that is affiliation or belonging, the social needs. यानी वो समाज में प्रतिष्ठा, स्टेटस और समाज में अपना रिकॉग्निशन चाहता है, और सामाजिक आवश्यकता है ये उसकी, इसको वो पूरा करना चाहता है। उसके बाद स्टीम नीड्स हैं, सेल्फ रेस्पेक्ट नीड्स हैं, वो उसको चाहता है। एंड एट लास्ट सेल्फ एक्चुअलाइजेशन नीड, उसे स्व अनुभूति वाली आवश्यकताएं होती हैं, उसकी नीड्स होती हैं, और जिसके लिए वो मोटिवेटेड होता है। तो मोटिवेशन which get start from basic psychological needs. Basic psychological needs especially categorized as a hunger needs. सबसे पहले हम अपने भूख को शांत करते हैं, भूख को शांत करने के लिए मोटिवेटेड होते हैं, उसके बाद हमको सुरक्षा की आवश्यकता होती है, उसके बाद हमको सामाजिक सरोकार, सामाजिक सम्मान प्रतिष्ठा की जरूरत होती है, उसके बाद हमें आत्मसम्मान चाहिए होता है, और एट लास्ट वी नीड सेल्फ एक्चुअलाइजेशन नीड. तो दैट इज नोन एज मास्लो need Hatchery theory of motivation, and that theory is very important from the point of view of board examination, because almost every year some questions were asked from this segment, Maslow needs Hatchery theory of motivation, and importance of motivation is also the question asked from the importance of motivation. Thus overall motivation process, including Maslow need Hatchery theory of motivation, is very important topic in directing chapter, and we all need to be write down it in your fair and homework notebook, and also remember it, because objective question maybe came from this topic, and 3 number marks question and 6 marks question also came. Especially Maslow need Hatchery theory came in 6 marks question, long question. So you all remember it, and if any question must be asked from my WhatsApp. Till then, bye, take care, stay home, safe home.